If you drive an older Opel or Vauxhall Astra H, you know that tired, sticky gear knob is probably the first thing that needs replacing. This aftermarket kit promises to not just replace it, but completely revolutionize your driving feel and aesthetic. We're looking at a full replacement kit here, including the gator boot and the knob itself, designed specifically for the 5- and 6-speed manual transmissions. The first thing that stands out is the material quality. This isn't cheap plastic. We have a combination of high-quality ABS and PU leather. They claim high durability and fade resistance, which is crucial because the sun absolutely destroys the original plastic over time. The knob head itself features aluminum construction, giving it a cool, refined style that genuinely elevates the cabin's look. It's not just functional, it's a visual upgrade that adds a fashionable, luxurious flair to your interior. But looks aren't everything. How does it feel when you're actually driving? The ergonomic design is where this really shines. It's crafted for a comfortable grip, which is essential for long drives. The fine workmanship translates into a knob that fits naturally in your hand, promising to reduce fatigue and accommodate natural hand movements. More importantly, the professional manufacturing ensures high sensitivity and reliability. This isn't just a cosmetic piece. It's engineered for precise, smoother, and faster shifting. It feels solid, trustworthy, and definitely enhances control over the vehicle, making those gear changes feel much more deliberate and satisfying. Installation is dead simple. It's designed as a direct OEM replacement, meaning you just pull the old one off and snap this new one on. No drilling, no special tools required. That quick, hassle-free swap is a huge win for anyone doing this in their driveway. Overall, this manual gear shift knob kit for the Astra H delivers exactly what it promises: enhanced durability, a significant aesthetic boost, and a genuinely improved tactile experience. If your old knob is looking sad, this is a highly sensitive, reliable, and stylish solution that makes every gear change feel premium.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.